The situation in Palestine is that there is no drinking water and nothing to eat and no one has a house left. And Israel's bombing on innocent people continues. Don't stop talking about Gaza. Not while Israel is committing genocide. Not while children is being slaughtered, starved and dehydrated. Not while ceasefire is voted against. Not until Palestine is free from occupation, apartheid regime and Nazi Zionist colonialism. Don't be silenced. Don't be silenced. Talk about Gaza, Jerusalem. Let everyone in the world hear this cruelty. Let's scream and take action immediately for Gaza, for children, for babies. Today, it's today, not later. Hellhole for oppressors, hellhole for Israel, hellhole for killers. Zionism is a danger, a big danger for humanity.
Güneş doğacak.